Your referral code is accessible through the Chase mobile app, the official Chase website at chase.com, or via email notifications from Chase. Access your unique referral link through the Chase mobile app or website dashboard. Each cardholder receives a personalized link that tracks referrals back to you. Share your referral link with potential applicants who might be interested in Chase Sapphire cards. Use the app's integrated sharing features for SMS, email, or social media to make it easy for others to apply. Ensure that potential applicants use your specific referral link when applying. This is crucial for eligibility, as it prevents self-referrals and allows Chase to properly credit the bonus to you. If the application is approved, the new cardholder must meet the spending requirement within 90 days. For Chase Sapphire Preferred, that's $4,000 in purchases, while Reserve requires $5,000. After the new member meets the spending threshold, both parties receive their bonus ultimate rewards points. Bonuses typically transfer within 30 to 60 days after verification. To be eligible as a referrer, you must be an existing Chase Sapphire cardholder in good standing, meaning no delinquency on your account. New applicants or referees need a strong credit history, typically a 524 status or better, meaning at least 5 open credit lines and an account open for 24 months or more. Bonus points will transfer to your Ultimate Rewards account after Chase verifies the new member has met the spending milestone, which typically takes 30 to 60 days. The approval rate for qualified applicants is around 70%. To maximize your referral bonus, start by targeting your outreach to individuals who are actively looking for a new credit card with travel rewards. These potential applicants are more likely to be interested and qualified. Next, share the specific benefits of the Sapphire card they're applying for, such as high rewards rates for travel spending and access to premium perks. This helps convince them of the value. Leverage multiple platforms like SMS, email, or social media to distribute your unique referral link. This increases your reach and makes sharing convenient for both you and your referrals. Finally, keep track of your referrals to ensure they've applied using your link and met the spending requirements within 90 days. This guarantees you receive your bonus points. Keep an eye on Chase's program updates, as bonus amounts and terms can change without notice. For example, the Sapphire Preferred referral bonus was recently reduced from 60,000 to 50,000 Ultimate Rewards points. Future trends include increased personalization of bonuses through AI-driven offers and greater integration of social media for sharing. New technologies like blockchain could enable verifiable tracking to reduce fraud. Regulatory changes from the CFPB may impact bonus amounts, potentially leading to caps that reduce bonuses by 10 to 20% in the coming years. Stay informed about these changes to maximize your referral rewards.